Welcome to Hustle Highway. Today, we're diving into the essential concepts that every beginner investor needs to know. Let's demystify the world of investing. Understand the different types of assets you can invest in, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. Each asset class has its own risk and return profile. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification involves spreading your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Higher returns often come with higher risks. Understand the trade-off between risk and return when making investment decisions. Compound interest is one of the most powerful tools for wealth building. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Dollar cost averaging involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This can help smooth out volatility. Markets can be volatile. Don't panic sell during downturns. Stay invested for the long term and focus on your long-term goals. Liquidity refers to how easily you can buy or sell an investment. Some investments, like stocks, are highly liquid, while others, like real estate, can be less liquid. Be aware of the fees and expenses associated with your investments. High fees can erode your returns over time. Consider your investment horizon when choosing assets. Short-term goals may require more conservative investments, while long-term goals can accommodate riskier options. A financial plan can help you set goals, allocate your investments, and stay on track. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. By understanding these fundamental investing concepts, you're well on your way to building a solid financial future. Remember, investing is a long-term journey. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and keep learning. Subscribe now for more financial tips and advice.